Hi, welcome to another episode of Nitty Gritty Travelers. My name is Bian, and today we're going to be talking about what is the electronic ticket or the e-ticket for customs and immigrations to the Dominican Republic. Well, the e-ticket is a digital form required by multiple institutions for entering or leaving the national territory. It is mandatory for each passenger to truthfully complete the information on the electronic ticket for the General Immigrations Office, the General Customs Office, and the Ministry of Public Health. So now I'm going to answer you most of the questions that you guys been asking about the e-ticket. First question is, who should be filling out this form? The answer is every passenger that is leaving or entering the country. When will it be available? Well, it has been available since November 2020, but now it's mandatory from April 2021. How can I access this form? Well, there are two ways of doing it. You can access this form on your device while on the airport, or you can do it at home before coming to the DR. The form is available at least 72 hours before entering the country, so you can fill out most of the information while at home, and if you're missing anything else, then you can go back to the form just before entering customs and fill out whatever remaining information you're missing. Do I need to save the QR code? Yes, because the QR code is going to be requested at by the custom officer, and it can be shown on your phone or it can be printed on any device if you can find one on your airport. And also, this QR code validates that the e-ticket form has been filled out correctly. Another question is, why is this form so long? Well, it replaces three forms: international boarding card, customs declaration form, and traveler's health affidavit. Now those three are combined in just one e-ticket. If I travel as a family, do I need to fill out a form for each member? Well, no. Well, yes and no. Each form allows for 6 people to be in it. If you're missing more people from your family, then you need to fill another form for the remaining passengers of your party. Do I have to create a new user for each time I travel? And the answer is yes. You need to fill out a new form every time you're leaving or entering the country. So that means that you need to create a new user every time you're traveling. What happens if I change my flight date after having my QR code? If you need to make any changes, just go to the button Consult e-ticket and make any necessary changes. Does the airline need to register or read my QR code? Absolutely not. The only personnel qualified to request your QR code are the custom officers.